Okay, I'll go first. UA Stadium, set, normal effect. I'm gonna another UA to my hand. I'm gonna go for another. Where is it? Where are you, midfielder? Where are you hiding? Here it is. To my hand. And bring them back to my hand. Special summon and end.
Draw.
Set 2.
Good.
Ew, what is this? Yu-Gi-Oh sucks. Real people play Pokemon.
The heck?